Is there money in trucking?
If you do it correctly, yes. And if you plan wisely, yeah.
Back it up, try not to scratch nothing. Don't scratch my car, man. Back it up, back it up. Let's park in your truck. Let's have a convo. Are you leaving already? Are you leaving or are you staying? What's going on, mother truckers? We're hanging out here with the subscriber, man. Introduce yourself, sir.
I'm Charles.
Charles, pleasure to meet you, sir.
Nice to meet you.
You know, I'm a car guy. What the hell is this right here?
Mercedes AMG GT.
Okay. You're not flexing, so I'm gonna flex for you, okay?
All right.
All right, tell me what type of whips you got. Tell me.
I've got a Volvo XC40, a Volvo XC90, this Mercedes, and that's about it for right now.
Really?
Yeah.
What'd you buy your son?
A Vet.
What does your wife drive?
She drives this AMG GT.
Of course, you always gotta get the wife something nice.
Yeah.
So, are you a real truck driver?
Fortunately, yeah.
I love it. You know, when we talk about this, you know, this is a real conversation here. Is there money in trucking?
If you do it correctly, yes. And if you plan wisely, yeah.
So, there's a lot of people. How many years have you been trucking, sir?
16.
So, 16 years. What does it take to get to a level of, if you have cars like this, do you have your house too?
Yeah.
So, you have house, you have cars, and you did all this with trucking?
Yes, sir.
So, let's put a blueprint for the youngins a little bit. When you were trucking for 16 years, do you just go out and start buying cars and buying all this stuff? What do you do?
I would say my first 10 years, I lived in my truck. My wife and I saved every penny I made. What she made and brought home, we lived off of that, but primarily we lived off the interest of what I saved. And within the last 5-6 years, I've just started buying stuff because I'm actually able to pay for it and not worried that, okay, my truck may break down, I may not get a check for 2 or 3 weeks, and I can't pay my bills, and I'm going to worry about this. So, save my money. Wife made sure credit was good, and now we got what we want.
Charles, we talking about some grown folk stuff right here, right?
Yes, sir.
You know, for all the kids and the ones that see the cars and the crazy houses and the jewelry and all that, any words of advice for the ones that are getting into the trucking game and they're making more money than they've ever made?
Save, because you never know what will happen out here. That's the best thing I can tell you, because I've had weeks where I didn't make a check. I've had, I don't want to say, one point I didn't make a check from about 6 months. But I was...
What happened?
Changed companies and was purchasing a truck from a guy, and he was running us through the ringer. But eventually, we got back in our order.
Yeah, I love it, man. Besides saving, did you put some of this money in investments? Anything? Any advice on that?
Investing, I don't really know too much about. I kind of asked my father and my wife to kind of handle that. So that on that end, I really don't have too much of an understanding for it. But if you got...
So when we're talking about this, I'll edit and cut too. So did you guys pretty much basically live off of your wife's paycheck and everything that you made, you guys saved in the bank for 10 years?
Pretty much.
I don't even want to know how much money that was. How much money can one person save that way?
Let's say my yearly expenses for just me was $5,600 a year.
Give us an estimate. A year. How much were you saving?
say about 82.
82,000.
Yeah.
So wait a minute. Okay, wait up. You got me going crazy here. So wait up. I don't even gotta be good at math, but just say that 82 was 100 grand.
Yeah.
For 10 years, that's almost $1 million. So you're looking at 700 and some thousand to almost $800,000 in your bank.
Yeah.
Did you see that at one point in your bank?
At one point, yeah.
And now do you have a payment on a house, a car, or anything? Oh my man. I love you so much, man. Like, seriously, like, I need people to see this. This is what hard work and saving and having a blueprint, freaking a real plan does, right?
Yeah.
I'm telling you, man. You know, Charles did not want to be on this. You can tell I'm making him nervous right now. I'm so sorry, man.
Oh, you good?
But I really do get excited about this stuff because I just want to see people win and put people in position. And right now with this, we're putting people in position.
Okay.
Hey, man, Mother Truckers, you hear it. This is one way to make it in life. Live off of one income, and then the other one, stack it away.
Yep.
Smile! Right here, folks. Hard work right here. You know, what do you say to people that make excuses for their life, man? Because were you born rich?
No. Not at all.
So what does it really take, man, to make it out here, you know? They say it's impossible to be a millionaire trucker, but what does that mindset really take?
Work hard. Don't worry about anything else. Everything you want will fall in place. Best thing I can tell you.
I tell you, man, you know, you're one of those guys that give me chills because, you know, if we weren't doing this interview, you're not a talkative dude. You know what I mean? Because real grinders, real ballers, real money, real bosses, they don't really talk it. You know, but I appreciate you just for, you know, being able to share this so that, you know, it's good karma too.
Yes, sir.
You know, but I appreciate you. I'm gonna get you driving up.